In today's world, interactive panels play a significant role in promoting cultural diversity. These digital tools enable people from different backgrounds to connect, share ideas, and learn from one another in a dynamic and engaging way. As we explore the power of interactive panels, we'll discover how they can bring people together and foster an inclusive environment. Interactive panels are versatile and can be used in various settings, such as museums, schools, and community centers. In these spaces, they can showcase different cultures, traditions, and histories, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in unique experiences and gain a deeper understanding of the world around them. In educational settings, interactive panels can be an invaluable resource for students and teachers. They can provide access to diverse content and perspectives, encouraging students to think critically about global issues and appreciate the richness of human experiences. This exposure to different cultures can help to reduce stereotypes and promote empathy among students. Interactive panels can also be employed in the workplace to enhance cultural diversity and inclusion. By providing employees with opportunities to learn about different cultures, companies can foster a more inclusive and innovative environment. This not only benefits the employees, but also contributes to the overall success of the organization. In conclusion, interactive panels are an incredible tool that can help to promote cultural diversity in various settings. By connecting people from different backgrounds and providing them with opportunities to learn from one another, these panels can foster greater understanding and appreciation for the diverse world we live in. Let's continue to embrace the power of interactive panels and work towards a more inclusive and culturally rich society.